In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install templates in ClickUp, quick tutorial. By the end, you'll know how to apply templates to your spaces, folders and lists, how to use task templates, and how to save your own custom templates so you can reuse your best workflows in seconds. Let's start with the fastest way to apply a template to a space, folder or list. First, navigate to the exact location where you want the template applied. Look for the 3-dot ellipses next to the name of that space, folder or list and click it. From there, choose Templates, then Browse Templates. In the template library, search or browse to find the template you want. When you found it, click Use Template. You'll see import options so you can decide what comes in, like tasks, custom fields, and views. Take a moment to tailor these so you only bring what you need, then click Import to apply it. This keeps your workspace clean and ensures you get the structure you want without unnecessary clutter. Quick note, if you're new to ClickUp or need the desktop or mobile apps, there's a link at the very top of the description that takes you straight to the website and downloads. Use that to get set up and follow along. Next, let's apply a task template. Open a new or existing task where you want the template to be applied. In the upper right corner of the task, click the ellipses. Select Templates, then Browse Templates. Pick the task template you want. You'll see two choices. Use Template, which lets you customize before applying, or Quick Use, which immediately applies the default settings. Choose the one that fits your workflow speed. As an alternative, you can type /template in a task description or in a comment to open the template center right from where you're working, which is great for staying focused. Finally, here's how to save your own custom template so you can reuse it anytime. Navigate to the item you want to save, whether that's a task, a list, or a folder. Click the ellipsis menu, choose Templates, then Save as Template. Give your template a clear name, set the sharing permissions such as private or members, and choose which elements you want to include. When you're ready, click Save. That's it. Your template is ready for future projects. With these steps, you'll standardize your processes, speed up onboarding, and keep your workspace consistent. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more quick guides, and thanks for watching.